Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a really exciting unboxing. As you can see from the title, this is my very first Hermes bag, and I purchased it when I purchased a few other things while I was on vacation this week. Please check out my other video for the rest of the items. I included the Chanel and the Coach items in one haul video, but I wanted to give this a dedicated video since it is my very first Hermes bag. I am definitely very new to Hermes, obviously, and the only thing I currently own is a Bastia coin purse and a belt. And I don't know, I'm not an expert at all, so I have a lot to learn about Hermes. I have lots of Chanel knowledge, lots of Louis Vuitton knowledge, but little to no Hermes knowledge. I mean, not no, but I do have some, but not like the experts out there. So if you have any kind of advice or anything you want to tell me about Hermes, please feel free to do that. I'm not really looking to buy a lot of stuff there to try to, get offered a Kelly or a Birkin. That's not really my goal. If I do get one of those bags, or maybe a Constance, I really like the Constance. If I want to get one of those, I'll probably end up going the pre-loved route, or maybe trying, if I go to Paris, trying there. But I'm not really interested in buying a whole bunch of stuff from Hermes that I don't really want or need. So anyway, I'm talking way too much. I'll explain why I chose this after I unbox it. So here is the box. You can probably guess what it is by the size of the box. It's a pretty small box. Okay, so it came with two dust bags. I'm going to show you this one first. So I'm sure you can guess by the shape what it is, but it's in this dust bag. To reveal, here is the Evelyn TPM, I believe it's called, or the mini Evelyn. I've seen it called both. It's basically the smallest size Evelyn. I think it is also called the 16, the size 16. And it is, because it's 16 centimeters, and it is in the gold Clemence leather, which is so beautiful. The leather is so soft, and I love the pebbled texture. Oh, it's just so pretty. And it's got the silver hardware, or does Hermes call it palladium hardware? I'm not even sure. Please tell me down below. Do they call it silver or palladium? Yeah, so I'll just show you the strap. The strap is in here. So I always knew that I wanted the Evelyn in this size. I don't really like the bigger sizes, but this size is so cute. And I had never actually tried one on in person. So since there was an Hermes store at this mall, the mall at Millennia in Orlando, I thought, why not? I thought I'd go in and ask if they had one. I didn't expect them to have one, but I thought it didn't hurt to ask. And she said, the sales associate was very nice, and she said, okay, well, it looks like we do have one, but it is on hold for another customer. But she said she'd bring it out just so that I could see it and try it on for size, because I told her I'd never tried one on. So she brought it out, and when she opened the box, I was like, oh, it's this color. I love this color, the gold color. It's like a classic Hermes color, and I don't have any bags this color. And I tried it on and just loved it. It is just so cute on this size. And so in the meantime, while I was trying it on, she texted the sales associate whose customer it was on hold for. And that sales associate gave her the go-ahead to sell it to me, because apparently the other customer had changed her mind. So I was able to buy it, and I was so surprised. I did not think I'd be able to. So anyway, so here's the strap. and it says Hermes, Paris, made in France, and I believe it says that under here too, and then the stamp, I guess, is under here. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. So that is the stamp. I'm not really, I have to look up how to read these stamps because I'm by far not an expert on that. So if you have any knowledge on that, please let me know down in the comments below. Yeah, so I am so excited to have my first Hermes bag. I know this is like an entry-level bag, but that's exactly what I wanted, and I'm just so happy to have it in this size and color combination. It is like the perfect combination for me. I love that it has the silver hardware. I love this leather. It's beautiful. And I will share the price. It was $1,800 US. Anyway, I'm going to keep this short. Again, I know there's lots of reviews on this bag, but I'll probably do my own kind of first impressions review after I've used it. I have not used it yet. So please stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much and have a great day.